Welcome back, you guys, to another Makeup and Astrology Monday. We are reviewing the collection with Static John and Mac Daddy. This is a really cool collection and really interesting collab. I feel like it's just not something you see every day, and I love it. It came out so cool and just very clubby, and I love the vibes of it. So here are some swatches of the palette that came in the collection. And there was a highlighter that was super beautiful that came in the collection as well. And then there was also a pigment that also came in the collection that was super, super pretty. And finally, a lipstick, which I was very, very surprised, and I loved I loved how I put this lip together for this look. We are talking all about Aquarius today. Get ready because I like Aquarius. I like Aquarius and I hate Aquarius. I love you guys, but I hate you guys, you know, pros and cons to everything. There's pros and cons to every single sign. And Aquarius, you guys are an air sign. Water bearer is the symbol of Aquarius, and it's really interesting because Aquarius is an air sign, but I feel like Aquarius, like it makes it sound like a water sign, but Aquarius is actually a air sign. So we have a couple colors here. I was kind of feeling like this electrifying blue, and this collection was literally perfect for that. Aquarius in general are very, very different. They like to be just out of the box. They like to be the ones to start the trends. They like to be the ones that don't do what everybody else does. And that is the epitome of this look, because I felt like it was just so bold and different, and the shape of the eye was like similar to what's trending right now, but not exactly what's trending right now. So Aquarius, you don't like labels. You're uniquely independent. You have a very good value system. Believes good, that there's good in all people. You're definitely someone that goes with the flow and 100% original. I also have written down here, sporty and cool. Okay. I wanted to chat a second because someone came for me on one of my videos and said that I, got mad that said that I didn't like Aquarius. And I was like, my love, my chart is half Aquarius. I'm not joking. It is half Aquarius. Communication, I'm pretty sure I have Aquarius in Mars. I have Aquarius in so many different areas of my life. I actually just looked up this thing called, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm forgetting it. Something of fortune. And basically, I am an Aquarius in that, and that is so interesting. So yeah, so let's go off of all positive and negative things. So we're going to do both. We've got humanitarian, which could also mean hippie, original, but could also mean eccentric, analytical, which could also mean detached, assertive, which could also mean obstinate, easygoing, which could also mean like awake, sci-fi, writing, like all these different things. I'm like, this whole time I've been thinking about, I think it's actually really interesting to like put astrology into everyday life, and I have been recently with dating, and the two last people that I've actually genuinely liked and felt like I had a connection with, I actually asked them both to dinner, and they have like just completely ghosted me. They were both Aquarius. Can you believe it? They were both literally Aquarius. I don't know how I feel about that. Any advice from as a Pisces ego here, trying to handle an Aquarius? I don't know how that goes. I don't know. But Aquarius in general dislikes limitations, broken promises, being lonely, dull or boring situations, and people who disagree with them. Listen, if that's not true, I don't know what else is. I don't know. I feel like they're born shy and quiet. I've seen that a little bit, but I feel like there's an inner being in Aquarius that just like needs to come out. Aquarius adapt the energy around them, and I hope that you guys loved this look and enjoyed my little spiel about Aquarius. I'll see you guys next week for Makeup and Astrology Monday.